Hey, how are you? I hope you guys are fine. Just want to give you a quick updates under the projects what we do around Sri Lanka under the name of Game Muluthenge. We had a call from Sri Lanka very recently. They don't have a blackboard, they don't have a whiteboard, but there are so many kids who's willing to do studies and still they have struggling to find immediate solution for this problem. So we get used to know that this problem, and one of our great financial contributor, Sonali from Australia. Uh, she's living in Brisbane actually. She's the one who funded for the whole thing. You can see Sonali's image on the screen now. So thank you, Sonali, for your great contribution. So the story is like this: we able to donate a whiteboard to a village school in Ratnapura district. I just want to mention the name Patberia Village Estate Preschool. So that is the place we have donated the whiteboard. And again, I want to tell the Sonali, thank you so much. And you guys can see some of photographs what we got from Sri Lanka a few minutes ago. And thank you very much. I want to tell you guys, we always there to help you whenever you need any help. We try to do our best if it is going within our budgets. So I hope so the children in Patberia estate, they will get a brilliant chance, and the father who's doing English language in that school uh, is the one who done the request from us. So thank you, father, for your great request, and we always there to help you, and within our capacity. That's what I want to tell you. Within our capacity, we always there to help you guys. And so this was the latest update which I want to share with you guys, especially those who are with engaged with Game Muluthenge. We are That's my responsibility to acknowledge you guys what is happening and all our projects in Sri Lanka. So thank you very much. Bye for now. Have a good evening.